What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can change buy it now color, as you can see on Shopify. Now this is very quick and easy, it's not complicated at all. You can do this by yourself. So the first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on online store, as you can see. So after guys you click on online store, what you need to do guys next is you want to click on these three little dots and then you want to click on edit code. So don't worry, this is not some like complicated thing, it's very easy guys. You just want to search for base css. Okay, I'm going to search for, just want to find here, let me just check. Okay, I'm just going to search for base. I'm going to click on edit code. So I'm going to search for base css. As you can see, I'm just going to search for it right now. Base css. So yeah, you need to to click on edit code, and this is the file, this is it. Now after you find this file, it's called base css, scroll down, scroll at the very bottom, okay, and you want to paste that code here. As you can see, you want to paste it here. Okay, this is the code, you want to paste it. Click on save in the top, like I said, the very bottom. Now if you go to Shopify, you will find that the color is changed, as you can see. But the beauty about this is you can change it to any color. So here is an example. You want to go to Google, search for example for yellow code, and this is the code of yellow. You want to copy this, go back into Shopify and edit that code. As you can see, it says here color, and this is the code of the color. You want to select it and paste, like to replace it with the yellow color. As you can see, we have replaced it. Click on save. As you can see guys, it's going to be yellow now. Okay, and you can also change it to other colors. As you can see, it's yellow. You can also change this color to yellow, like the box, and click on save. As you can see, it's going to change to yellow. You can select any color you want. As you can see, it's yellow and it grabs the attention of people, and you can change buy it now to something else. You can just play with it as you want. As you can see, you can change many things like the color, border color. You can change it also to yellow. Click save, and that's it guys. Hopefully this video helped you. The code is in the description. I will leave the code in the description of this video. So I just want to copy this code from the description and paste it at the bottom of base.css. See you guys next video.